Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. I'd love to have a lot full of these. Wait till you see how nice this little car is. 15 Nissan Sentra. It's only got 90,000 miles on it. It's been taken exceptional care of, as you will see. Runs and drives great. We put about 300 miles on it so far. It had a scratch on it that we fixed, so that's done. It's cleaned, it's detailed, and it has to go through the shop, but just going to get normal maintenance because, like I say, we drove it 300 miles. There's nothing wrong with the car. Runs and drives great. We will just do normal services, fluids and filters. And on these Nissans, it's real important that we do the transmission service, which we will do. So this thing will have the trans serviced, oil filter, air filter, cabin air filter. Make sure the brakes are over 50% when you come see it and drive it. It's Friday night, so it's not going to get done this weekend in case you come this weekend, but it's here to be seen and driven, and we'll get it through the shop on Monday or Tuesday, depending on how big a hurry that we get in. But great little car, good miles. The tires are really good on it. The back ones are about 90%. The front ones are about probably 70%, but someone didn't rotate them enough, so they're a little worn on the edges. So we'll definitely either going to put 2 new tires on it or 4. So 2 or 4 new tires. We have financing available. This is obviously a nice, inexpensive car, so we'll be able to get your payments down really low. Look how nice this car is, though. I'll tell you, these less expensive cars, really hard, just really hard to find in this condition. I'm super particular about what we sell. 90,313 miles. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt wheel, cruise control, sport mode. So I don't know what else one could want in a less expensive 4-door sedan. Make you a great car, gets fantastic mileage. You can call me anytime on my cell at 404-867-5028. The Carfax is on our website free of charge. And after we service the car, you'll see everything that we did as the last entry on the Carfax report. But in the meantime, just give me a call. Once again, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.